Hi, it's Monday, March 23rd, and as this pandemic continues to spread, I would like to try and clarify a few things as well as offer some practical advice to help stop the spread of COVID-19. Firstly, please be careful to act and not react. Yes, people are getting sick, and more people will get sick. And in fact, people in Muskoka will ultimately get sick too, unless we are vigilant in our approach to controlling this spread. In a phone call today with our local hospitals, I can confirm that as of Saturday, we do not have any confirmed cases here in the area. Please understand, however, that our actual test results lag behind a few days. Most importantly, please note that just because you have symptoms currently, you may also not get tested. Only people with severe respiratory issues or additional issues are the ones who are actually being tested. The protocol remains the same. Most people will be sent home to self-isolate and report back if their conditions change or worsen. With that said, in the coming days, Muskoka will be adding 2 COVID-19 assessment centers, one in Huntsville and one in Bracebridge. More details to come when these are opened. So how do we best protect ourselves and our neighbors? There's a number of existing protocols already in place by the province and the Simcoe Muskoka District Health Unit. We talk about self-isolation, we talk about staying away from people. But further to these, I would like to offer the following protocols and enhanced ideas for you to consider and as you conduct your day-to-day lives. Number 1, once you realize you have the virus, it's too late. You will have already spread this virus. In fact, in almost 20% of those cases infected today, they did not show signs of the virus. Therefore, as an extra precaution, please change your thinking. Assume that you and your neighbors currently have the virus, and in that case, immediately isolate yourself and act accordingly. In simple terms, this means absolutely do not interact with anyone other than those in your immediate family, no matter how you feel. Number 2, for those of you who are coming to Muskoka to distance yourself from the virus, that's great. But again, assume that you have the virus. Distance yourself from everyone in Muskoka too. Muskoka is not a safe zone. We all need to be extra careful regardless of our location. For those of you who do have a GTA residence, if you're isolating here in Muskoka and you feel sick, first and foremost, use the self-assessment tool on our Township Muskoka Lakes website or the District of Muskoka website. Secondly, at that point, please consider your healthcare choices. Currently, Muskoka has limited resources to handle COVID-19, and we want everyone to have the best possible healthcare available. Number 4, if you're relocating from the GTA, trying to distance yourself from the virus, please bring food and supplies with you. Our supply chain, our grocery stores here in Muskoka are already depleted. And if our grocery stores and our employees there get sick, they will be forced to shut down. We don't want this. Please bring supplies with you when you come up. If for some reason, however, you do have to go out, number 1, go alone. Please do not go with your entire family. This will help reduce the spread of the virus, one person at a time to go into a store. I also think it's time to move from social distancing to social isolation. Fact is, in this particular case, you cannot isolate too much. In the case of COVID-19, we need to flatten the curve. We must do this now. Please isolate yourself. If you need food, many restaurants and now grocery stores offer delivery or pickup at the door. Look at their websites or give them a call. I know that they're happy to help. And if you're truly in need, call a friend. They will be happy to help as well. Finally, I know or have come to, if you or any one of you come in contact with a grocery store worker, a gas station attendant, an emergency service personnel, a government employee, fire department, or any frontline healthcare worker, please say thank you. They are all putting themselves in harm's way to protect everyone in this province. When possible, thank them on social media too. As I started this message, I want to finish with the same mindset. We need to shift our thinking from assuming that we are healthy to assuming that we are sick and we have the virus. Please put actions and protocols into place to stop the spread, meaning stay home. Thank you, and please share this message as it might just save a life.